Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Composite Canvas. You can watch variety of different type of videos on my channel. Whichever topic interests you, you can go into playlists and play that video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button given below this video. Also click on the bell icon to receive notifications on my latest videos. In this video, we will see a breakfast recipe which is for kids. And to present this breakfast recipe, we have a kid with us who will demonstrate this recipe for you all. So keep watching and enjoy.
Hi friends, today we are going to make a special recipe for kids called as sandwich. So let's start. So for that we need bread, garlic butter, cheese, tomato sauce, chutney and tomatoes and cucumbers. So let's start. First you take 2 slices of bread, then apply tomato ketchup on one, spread it evenly. Then we will apply Pudina chutney on the other slice. You have to spread this also evenly. Now we are going to apply some garlic butter. Now you can see I have spread this butter evenly. Now we are going to put some sliced tomatoes and cucumbers. Now we are going to put some cucumbers. Now we will add cheese slice on it. If you don't have sliced cheese, you can grate the cheese. Now place the other side of the bread on the cheese. Our yummy, delicious, tasty sandwich is ready. So this was our simple recipe for kids. This is a safe recipe for kids. You can add other veggies like onion, capsicums if you like. If you like it, you can grill it also. But remember, with the help of your parents. Do try my recipe at your home with your kids. Share me your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel, The Composite Canvas.